So welcome back, friends. So we are still on our build design in Coreldraw. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to try to, let me zoom in so we can see everything we are trying to do here. All right, so I was thinking if we can reduce the width here to be 1. Yeah, so here can just be, make sure that this is very much aligned. Okay, so that is very much perfectly aligned. So here we can make sure that this is also aligned. So I will make a duplicate of this into like 3. So I will press down Ctrl key and drag down, and copy here, then Ctrl D. Okay, so I will select everything, then I'll group. So let me zoom out and see. Oh, this is much. So I will make sure it's aligned. Okay, trying to make sure that it's very much aligned so that things look very much perfect. Okay, so zoom in. Okay, okay, so one other thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add cashier signature, and then this place is going to be amount in word. So I need my pen tools again. So here is going to be amount in word, right? So I will make sure I fill this with white like this. So here we're going to have amount in word here. Then we can take this up a little bit, and just adjust this like this. Okay, I'm taking this up a little bit. So at the bottom here I need to have signature for 3 people, right? So I will go back to my rectangle now, and I will make another rectangle. So I will fill it with white, then I will remove the stroke. So here it's going to be, I'm going to make it in a 3 duplicates. So I'll press down Ctrl key and drag. And copy here. Sorry. Ctrl key down, and I'll drag. Copy here, and I'll make a duplicate. Ctrl D, then Shift key and select the second, then the third. So I need a ruler. so that it snap here. It's the first one, second one, then third one. So I'll make sure that I snap to the ruler, something like this. So I can just tap and take it to, oh, that's too much, something like this. So we can begin to add information to the invoice. So this is the layout of the invoice. So what I want you guys to do is that I will send you guys the Coreldraw file for this invoice. So I want you to input necessary information into the invoice, and I want to see how far you are able to understand the invoice design using Coreldraw. So thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. So see you in the next class. Bye.